When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, Jira Service Management versus Freshdesk are two of the top contenders. Both of these tools promise to improve your customer service operations, but how do they compare? By the end of this video, I'll give you my honest take on both so you can make the best decision for your team. First, let's talk about Jira Service Management. One of its standout features is its deep integration with Jira software, which is perfect for teams already using Atlassian products. If you're working in IT or software development, this integration can help streamline workflows. But here's the thing, Jira Service Management's UI is often criticized as being a bit clunky. It's not the easiest to navigate for beginners, and the setup can be overwhelming for smaller teams. If you're not already familiar with Jira's ecosystem, it can take a bit longer to get up and running. Next, Freshdesk shines in a few key areas, especially for customer support teams. Its interface is more user-friendly, with an intuitive design that makes it easier to get started, even if you're new to help desk software. Freshdesk also offers a robust set of automation features, including ticket routing, auto-responses, and SLA management, which can help you save time. However, when compared to Jira Service Management, Freshdesk lacks the same level of customization for IT-focused teams. It might not offer as many options for more complex workflows or integrations if you're operating in a tech-heavy environment. The third thing to consider is the pricing structure. Jira Service Management offers a tiered pricing system, which can get quite expensive as you add more agents and features. On the flip side, Freshdesk's pricing is often considered more affordable, with a free plan that can be a good fit for smaller teams. However, as your business scales, you'll need to upgrade to unlock more advanced features, which could end up costing you more in the long run. Now, let's talk about scalability. Jira Service Management is highly customizable, making it a great choice for large organizations with complex workflows. It offers more flexibility in terms of custom fields, reporting, and automation roles. But if you're a smaller business or a non-tech team, this level of complexity might feel like overkill. Freshdesk, while not as customizable, offers a simpler setup that can scale easily as your business grows without the need for heavy configuration. For teams that need an easy, no-fuss experience, Freshdesk is a solid option. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. While both Jira Service Management and Freshdesk provide solid support, Freshdesk offers 24/7 support across all tiers, while Jira Service Management support can sometimes be harder to access depending on your plan. If you're a smaller team with a limited budget, Freshdesk might be more accessible for resolving issues quickly. Finally, I have to talk about integrations. Jira Service Management has powerful integrations with other Atlassian products like Confluence and Bitbucket, which is great if you're already entrenched in the Atlassian ecosystem. But if you're looking for third-party integrations, Freshdesk offers a wider range of options out of the box, making it easier to connect with other tools like Shopify, Slack, and more. At the end of the day, both of these tools are strong contenders in the help desk software space, but they each come with their own strengths and weaknesses. Jira Service Management excels in flexibility and scalability for larger teams, while Freshdesk is a more user-friendly option that works great for small to mid-sized businesses. That said, after trying both of these myself, I'd recommend looking into an alternative that might fit your needs better. If you want the best help desk software that combines the ease of Freshdesk with the scalability of Jira, check out the free trial linked in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see for yourself if it's the right fit for your business.